Alexandria, where history meets hip. This charming city is a perfect blend of the old and the new. Nestled just across the Potomac from Washington, D.C., Alexandria, Virginia, offers a breath of fresh air. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of the capital while still being close enough to enjoy its perks. Historic charm? Absolutely. But Alexandria's got a modern vibe too. The city seamlessly blends its rich history with contemporary culture, making it a unique destination. Imagine cobblestone streets lined with trendy boutiques and cozy cafes. Each corner you turn reveals a new surprise, from vintage shops to modern eateries. It's a city that whispers stories of the past while embracing the energy of the present. The historic buildings stand proudly, juxtaposed with vibrant street performers and modern art installations. I love strolling along the waterfront. The serene views and gentle breeze make it a perfect spot to relax and unwind. The view of DC's monuments is spectacular. From here, you can see the iconic landmarks that define the nation's capital. And those colorful kayakers paddling by, they're living the good life. It's a scene that perfectly captures the spirit of Alexandria. Alexandria is a city best explored on foot. Walking through its historic district, you'll discover quaint shops, delightful restaurants, and hidden gems at every turn. Get ready to lose yourself in its captivating blend of history, culture, and just plain fun. Whether you're here for the history, the culture, or just to have a good time, Alexandria has something for everyone. A walk through Old Town. Cobblestones and charm. Old Town Alexandria is postcard perfect. Picture this: brick sidewalks, gas lights, and houses dating back to the 1700s. Start your wanderings on King Street. This bustling mile-long stretch is a shopper's paradise. You'll find everything from antique stores to art galleries. Pop into a cozy bookstore. Browse for souvenirs in a quaint boutique. Grab a latte and people watch from a sidewalk cafe. Look for the Captain's Row houses on Prince Street. These stately homes, once owned by sea captains, are architectural gems. Don't miss Gadsby's Tavern. George Washington himself dined here. It's now a museum and restaurant. Delving into history, from founding fathers to Civil War. Alexandria breathes history. This city, with its cobblestone streets and well-preserved buildings, offers a unique glimpse into America's past. You'll feel it as you walk in the footsteps of founding fathers. Every corner of Alexandria tells a story, from the early days of the American Revolution to the struggles of the Civil War. Visit Christ Church, where George Washington and Robert E. Lee worshiped. This church stands as a testament to the faith and resilience of the people who shaped our nation. Step inside the Stabler Leadbeater Apothecary Shop. It's a time capsule from the 18th century, with its original herbs and potions still on display. Imagine the countless lives touched by the remedies crafted here. The Carlisle House is a must-see. This grand mansion hosted a meeting between 5 colonial governors, including a young George Washington. It's a place where decisions that shaped the future of America were made. During the Civil War, Alexandria was occupied by Union troops. The city's strategic location made it a focal point of military operations and a refuge for those seeking freedom. The Freedom House Museum, once a slave pen, tells the poignant stories of enslaved people seeking freedom. It's a sobering reminder of the city's complex past and the enduring quest for liberty. Alexandria's history is complex and compelling. It's a story that unfolds with each step you take. From the echoes of colonial times to the whispers of the Civil War, every visit to Alexandria is a journey through time. Waterfront wonders. A river runs through it. Alexandria's waterfront is a vibrant hub. Stroll along the Potomac River. Enjoy the fresh air and stunning views. The Torpedo Factory Art Center is a must-visit for art lovers. This former munitions factory is now home to artist studios and galleries. Watch artists at work. Browse unique pieces. You might even find the perfect souvenir. Take a water taxi across the river to the National Harbor. Enjoy panoramic views of DC's monuments. Or hop on a sightseeing cruise for a different perspective on the city. Venture beyond the tourist hotspots and discover Alexandria's hidden gems. Jones Point Park is a local favorite. Pack a picnic lunch and enjoy waterfront views. Explore the historic lighthouse. Kids will love the playground. For a unique shopping experience, head to Del Rey. This charming neighborhood is known for its independent boutiques, quirky shops, and vintage finds. Foodies, take note. Del Rey is a haven for delicious eats. From farm-to-table fare to international flavors, there's something to tantalize every palate. Alexandria's culinary scene is as diverse as its history. Craving fresh seafood? Head to the waterfront. You'll find plenty of restaurants with outdoor seating and stunning river views. For a special occasion, try one of Old Town's upscale dining establishments. Savor innovative cuisine and impeccable service. Looking for something more casual? Alexandria has you covered. Grab a juicy burger at a local pub. Enjoy authentic Ethiopian food in a cozy setting. Don't leave without trying the Virginia ham biscuits. They're a local delicacy. Getting to Alexandria is easy. Whether you're coming from nearby Washington, D.C., or from further afield, you'll find it convenient and straightforward. It's just a short metro ride from Washington, D.C., making it an ideal day trip or weekend getaway. Once you're here, the best way to explore is on foot. Wear comfortable shoes. The city's charm lies in its walkability. You'll be doing a lot of walking, so be prepared to wander through its historic streets and discover hidden gems around every corner. Spring and fall are ideal times to visit. The weather is mild, and the scenery is breathtaking with cherry blossoms in spring and vibrant foliage in fall. The weather is pleasant, and the city is in full bloom. Outdoor cafes and parks are bustling with activity, making it a perfect time to enjoy the outdoors. Summer can get hot and humid, so stay hydrated and take breaks in the shade. Winter can be chilly, but the festive atmosphere and holiday decorations make it worth the visit. But hey, there's always something to see and do in Alexandria, no matter the season. From seasonal festivals to year-round attractions, the city offers a rich cultural experience. Book your accommodations in advance, especially if you're visiting during peak season. This ensures you get the best options and rates. From charming B&Bs to modern hotels, Alexandria offers a range of options to suit every budget. Whether you prefer a cozy, intimate setting or a luxurious stay, you'll find the perfect place to rest after a day of exploring. Alexandria, Virginia. It's a city that stays with you. The cobblestone streets, the historic houses, the vibrant energy. I love how seamlessly the past blends with the present here. You can almost hear the echoes of history as you stroll along the waterfront or browse the shops on King Street. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or just looking for a charming getaway, Alexandria has something to offer. So come on down. Take a walk through time. Savor the flavors. Experience the charm. Alexandria is waiting to welcome you.